Ladies and gentlemen, Nate here again with RHRSwag. Really exciting day. We've got a complete cover video for you of the Leer Trifold and Quadfold covers. It's a really nice system. No tools required at all to install the Leer Latitude Trifold tonneau cover. Again, got those nice driver and passenger side cinch locks there. And she folds right up into this final third portion. Easily can be removed. There's just a clamp on the driver and passenger side on the underside here that you'll be able to just quickly undo those, and she comes right off the pickup bed. I'd say on even some of the longest pickup beds you can expect no more than 50 pounds, if that. Very lightweight system here. Last feature, of course, look at that absolutely beautiful rag top. We do also have a vinyl version, but I definitely prefer this nice matte black ragtop version in the SC. Absolutely stunning covers, as you can see with these hard fold covers here. Beautiful matte black, dent resistant, scratch resistant panels. That's all from this really incredible fiberglass polymer material that they use for the actual constructions. Each seal is actually really heavy duty too. One big difference from a lot of those trifold covers that you're going to find out there. Taking a first look, we have the Leer HF 350M hard trifold tonneau cover. Some great features on this one, of course. You got a great tailgate seal right there. Really thick seals that actually do sit on top of your pickup bed, and this patented cinch lock system that Leer has developed. A lot better on the driver and passenger side for opening than a lot of your other tonneau covers. Storage is really simple. You've got these straps right on the driver and passenger side here. Simply cinch up and you're good to go in the 2/3 open position, or we can go right ahead and you've got one final fold for that vertical position. Now this is going to block the third brake light, and that's going to be something that I'm going to point out is a little bit different about the 650. Again, sits right around half an inch over the pickup bed, so very concise fit as far as sitting on top of that bed. And of course, because it does come over the rails, you can maybe even expect a little bit better sealing as far as the weather tightness. I've got to tell you though, the 650 quad folding cover gives it a run for its money on the weather tight. Very similar function, very similar construction. Biggest difference being, however, you do actually have 4 folds. This is important for a couple of reasons. If you have a 5th wheel, you're going to want to go with the quad fold. It's actually going to give you enough space, unlike the trifold. Again, you can go to that last quarter section here and you can store it and drive around just fine. Strap those right up, or again, you can come right along here and prop up on the driver and passenger side. It will not interfere with that third brake light, so perfectly legal there. Make sure to check into that if you are looking at a trifold. In your state, you may need to go with the quad fold. Folds right up. I also want to point out, again, check out these seals, guys. Absolutely huge. About 2 inches of actual overhang, and because the tonneau cover actually sits on the inside of the pickup bed, it needs those nice thick seals. A lot of other folks will sacrifice that. They stick the tonneau cover nice and low, but it doesn't have that seal for that weather tight fit. Greatest thing about this, as you can see, we've got access to our snake pocket holes up front and in back, so you're going to be able to use systems like racks, any kind of tie down stuff like that. You can actually still use with the 650. Definitely want to thank you so much for checking in, sticking in there with us to the end, folks. Go ahead and give us a call, speak to one of our excellent service or sales experts, and join us at rhrswag.com.